What's up you guys, it's Brandon from BlazeTech, and today's video we're going to be doing a unboxing of a new package I got from Amazon. Now I can actually find it upstairs, which is in here, which is for this contraption up here. Now I think I just showed my address. I'm going to blur it out. But anyway, we're going to be seeing what's in there, and we're going to be seeing why I got it, because there's a specific reason. I didn't buy it just for the sake of spending money, because, well, I don't like spending money. But anyway, we'll take it out and we'll see what it is. Other than that, if you enjoy videos from BlazeTech, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, as well as hit the notification bell to know when my next video is live. And smash like for YouTube algorithm. And you can check out my socials. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. They'll be on screen as well as link below. But let's see what's in here. Yeah, I got me trusty knife. Be careful with knives, ladies and gentlemen. Don't wanna poke anything too hard, or yourself. Kimmy. It's a product from Neewer. Well, that's Neewer, but Neewer. Same as that. That's also a product from Neewer. Neewer does amazing stuff. And I think they do microphones, unless I'm thinking of Blue. But anyway, we're gonna see what's in here, and I got it for a specific reason, because it does pop up here, and for that reason I'm going to use this phone to put up here in replacement of my camera, and you'll see why soon. So here we have the Neewer, which is pretty much a iPhone Samsung phone holder, and this is pretty much the basic concepts. As you can see, you got the nozzle to like tighten it up or loosen it, and up here you got another nozzle to tighten or loosen it. Down here you got the little screwdriver section, which if you take this off, it can just plop on right here if it'll focus. And pretty much I got this to make TikTok videos. I know that sounds cringy, as well as IG Reels, because I want to get into that. So looking at the side of the box, and I kind of crushed it when I was unpackaging it, unfortunately. High quality mobile phone clip. And you got these little elements, I'm not sure what they mean, but as you can see, product model C4 mobiles, material, plastic products, maximum weight is 1 kilogram. Weight is actually 72.5 grams. Mobile clip size 58 millimeters by 105 millimeters. And interface international standard screws a quarter or half. But no, we'll take it out and we'll see the product that's inside. So I just grab it. And this is pretty much what it looks like. So we'll take it out of its packaging, and as you can see, we got the Neewer branding, trademark. But yes, let's see what it does. So as you can see, here's the product. I just realized that's a fingerprint magnet if you get the correct sunlight. But no, as you can see, you got Neewer once again, you got a screwdriver, and you got the actual clamp, and you got another rotating section to adjust the tightness. So the reason I got, like I said before, I will clip this in replacement of this for my Sony camera, and I will put on the phone clamp my old iPhone 10, which I can just use for TikTok and IG Reels, because I want to get into that. But the main reason I had to buy this was because if I put my phone on there, it's landscape instead of portrait, and me putting this on there will allow me to do a portrait version instead of a landscape version. In case you don't know what portrait means, pretty much if I put my iPhone up here, it's going to end up like that, and you can't make Instagram videos or TikTok Reels like that. I accidentally messed that up. I mean TikToks or IG Reels. So the plan was to do stuff like that, and I'm just gonna stand in this exact spot, shoot some stuff, and yeah, that's gonna be interesting. And as well as before I do set it up, actually, I will leave this in the description. I will leave a Amazon affiliate link, so if you want to go grab it, it's about 20 Australian dollars, and I'll get a small commission of a few cents. But if it helps you, well, that's great, and I get a few cents, so that's very cool. So once again, the link's in the description for that. But we will put this up there, and we'll keep going. So as you can see, this is pretty much what the product looks like. Just going around it. Ooh. Oh, I just hit my head. So as you can see, it just looks like that. And you got this nozzle right here. It's pretty loose, which is good. So then, now since I've loosened this, you could turn this around, and we'll just tighten this up. And if you come up here and untighten this, actually I can't do it with one hand. I'll show you what I mean. So it was a little bit stuck, but I got it undone. So pretty much, this is pretty much tightened like it normally is. And if you untighten it, as you can see, it expands, which just allows you to put your phone in. Once you put your phone in, you just tighten it back up. So I'll show you exactly how I want this, and like I said, I'll be using it for mainly filming. Alrighty, so I've pretty much adjusted it the exact way I want it. So I adjusted the height, it was about up there before. Now as you can see, it is shorter. So that's pretty much what that looks like. I'm just on the camera mode at the moment to give you a more visual representation of what I mean. But no, if we actually turn it on, as you can see, this camera picks up pretty well, and this camera on the iPhone 10 can pick it up pretty well as well, because yeah, like I said, you know, I want to do more TikToks and all that stuff. But yeah, no, that's pretty cool. No, it's weird seeing like multiple versions of myself. I feel like a real person, like a real YouTuber. Now, ignore my pimples and stuff right now. They're a bit weird. But other than that, if you guys have any other questions or anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you ASAP. But like I said, if you do want to pick up this newer product, this newer phone holder for your, well, ring light, you can check out the link in the description below, and I'd much appreciate that because I get a small commission, but every penny adds up, right? That's what they say. That's an ambulance. That ambulance is now gone. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to smash like on this video, as well as subscribe, tap the notification bell to know when my next video is live. Check out my socials. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. Comment below, do you think I should shave? I'm debating about it. Who knows? But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. This is Brent from BlazeTech. I'm out. Bye.